When I did the surgery, I wasn't married because now I'm married, but I was single. And 2-3 years that I started to notice that I'm losing hair. I just didn't know what to do. I felt, like, oh my God, it's hitting me. I decided eventually to go with Dr. Mohebi. The first day I was very excited. Started the process, it was simple and easy. I didn't really feel any pain or any problem. I went to work the next day. It grows back fully like 6-7 months. I started to see like the hair is really like growing. Hey, my hair is back. And I was like, wow, it's insane, it's amazing. You look good, you feel good, and people see it. And I didn't know that people see it. People can see the confidence in you, and it changes. And that's what I liked. This is something that I really liked with Dr. Mohebi because he really cares. You know why I'm laughing? Because I do recommend him to every person who has this issue and I see this problem. The feeling that you get and after you see the results is an amazing feeling. Like you get something that you can't get. It's like almost the impossible.